sense I have now is of possibility, yeah, and how something can be something else looked at differently, and additions and expressions when maneuvered, sometimes with changes, could create something else. Yeah, you see the semicircle here? The semicircle here? So a semicircle in 3 dimensions is a hemisphere. You would think of it like this, and go like this. And hemicircle is half of a sphere and is part of a circle in 3 dimensions. So the four-sphere is a sphere, 3-dimensional circle in 4 dimensions. So the idea of dimensions is 2 plus, say, from here you have another axis. This is x-axis, y-axis, and see the z-axis perpendicular. This is perpendicular, yeah. Think of a line jutting up, and you're away looking, whoa, third dimension from the phone. And the fourth dimension would be a new axis line. I like calling it A. So let's just say the fourth dimension is A, okay? So from the z-axis, you have a new axis A that is perpendicular 90 degree perpendicular to z, to x, and to y when all of them are mutually perpendicular. It's a little difficult for me to represent, so let's see. The inception of the fourth dimension, in my mind, is a fourth sphere near Saturn, as the movie goes, that gets you close to a black hole. So the fourth dimension, which is an axis mutually perpendicular to 3 axes, x, y, z, left there for now. From the movie Inception goes to, so Saturn is here with the rings, and there's a 4-sphere wormhole, 4 spheres somewhere close by, where the spacecraft moves at speeds comparable to speed of light and time travels, woof, wormhole, and we are somewhere else, yeah. So now we are in the world of singularities. Singularity, yeah, point mass of infinite density, and sucks up everything, yeah, everything, well, known in a way, and creates space-time curvature, wonderful destruction to recreate physical reality, and family, yeah. So forget about everything else, or remember only gravity, yeah. And from this point mass of infinite density, let's say black, okay, black is good, yeah. Point mass of infinite density, we understand better gravity. I think it was 2-3 years ago where 2 black holes collided and gravity waves were detected with gravitons 10 to the power minus 40 centimeters small, that were detected as waves. Gravitons But the sense of gravity is poise, and in some way getting closer parallelly. So say you have a circle with radius say 10, 10 centimeters, and then you have a circle with radius 10 kilometers. 1 kilometer is 100,000 centimeters. Because you have 1,000 meters, every meter is 100 centimeters, like 5 zeros. So a 10 kilometer radius circle and a 11 kilometer radius circle will, this is 11 kilometers, this is 11 kilometers. So when close to each other, let's just say 10,000, 10,000 kilometers and 10,001 kilometers. It's easier to explain. Follow me through this will make sense. So we have a circle which is 10,000 kilometers, 10,000 kilometers radius, not diameter, because the diameter would be 20,000 kilometers. But we'll leave that at that and imagine another circle with radius 10,001 kilometers, diameter 20,002. That's beautiful, isn't it? 20,002 kilometers. So the bits of these circles, when segmented close to each other from here, would appear, say we take this part like this here, would appear as parallel lines. So the wonder of this is that circles of concentric circles of humongous radii segmented will seem like parallel lines, and the sense of gravity that I have in my sense is the sense of perception and segmentation from let's just say a number. The number 1 for me is a doorway to recognizing that 0 is beautiful. 0. I have told one of my students how someone must have seen the wonderful stars in the clear night sky, and found 0. It's kind of ironic because from the magnificence of a starry night comes the nothingness. That I found 1 as 0. 10 is wonderful too. I like 10. 10 is wonderful. 1 and 0. And the bits and bytes that make you see this, hear this, know for a fact that you are not listening, hearing to all I'm saying, because the tiniest, the most minute of sounds. It's just how it is. And I started with some sense of perception, and what gravitated towards me is you and your sense of what could be through circles and singularities. Now this bit here and this bit here are straight lines and arcs. So say this is, let's say 12, yeah, 12 centimeters, and this is say 8 centimeters, and this, no, it's not 8, yeah, 8, okay, 8 centimeters, and this is, let's say 27, okay, because say this line is 1 centimeter less than the line on the bottom, and so what happens is the center of radius related to center of gravity in terms of weight is not exactly at the center of this line. So say from here you draw an arc like this, and from here you draw an arc like this. Keep these on the horizontal parallel to this, parallel, and yeah, that's beautiful. So we have half a centimeter here and half a centimeter here, sort of eliminated. Now okay, so half a centimeter here, it requires some design, which you can do, create something more wonderful for the creation of itself, yeah, because after y there is z. You can see that purpose will find itself when the numbers let you be. Did you know about 1, 0, 2, 3 as base 4 system? Base 4 is cool, yeah. So in the base 4 system, the number 8 does not exist. The number 5 does not exist. Interestingly, the number 4 does not exist in the base 4 system, which is kind of like, what, you know? So in the base 4 system, let's just say black, yeah. The base 4 system, there are only 4 numbers. That's what the base 4 system represents. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers in the base 4 system. So let's just deal with this. So the number 210 in the base 4 system has a value of, let's figure this out, okay? So we have 4 to the power 0 times 0, and 4 to the power 1 times 1, and 4 to the power 0, 1, 2, 2 times 2, because this 2 is this 2, yeah, and this 1 is this 1, yeah, and this 0 is the 0 here, that, without going into details, is, how much is that? 4, 16, 32, and we have 36. Yeah, I don't like 36. 36 is like, no, 6 square at least looks better than 36. Yeah. 16, 32, 36. Yeah, 36. So the bit that I'm trying to get across is that 210 in the base 4 system is equal to 36 in the base 10 system. Yeah. So say you have 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 that can learn itself as dear AI is doing right now naturally would be 2 to the power 0 times 2 to the power 1 times 2 to the power and so on. Yeah, so this is a binary digit that, as in binary number with binary digits, that in the base 10 system would be equal to, let's have some fun with this. Yeah, so we have 1 2 and then we have 8 and then we have 64 72 75. 75 is a wonderful number. Yeah, 75 is beautiful. 15 times 5, oh, so good. 5 times 3, so beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah, 75. I love it. 7 plus 5, so wonderful. Ah, the smell of 75. 25 times 3, 5 squared times 3, oh, so beautiful. And 5 plus 2 plus 3, and we have 10. 10 out of 10 for this. But the question was wrong. Okay, so let it be. You are right, and I'm right too. Cool? Tata for today.